In order to use a refrigerator, you would need to press it on, and it will be in auto mode. So this will turn on the refrigerator for you. The RV does need to be leveled. So right now it's not leveled, so it's not going to really work properly. Since it's set to auto mode as well, it will either choose to run off the batteries, and need be it will kick in to the LP mode, which would use the propane if needed. When I open this refrigerator, there's this white fin. If it's placed on top, all the way to the top, it's cooler. If you place it in the middle, it'll be warmer, and that'll probably be hotter, but you would probably want to set it all the way up to cool. Just a tip, if you do overstuff this refrigerator, the top two shelves, your food may freeze, since in an RV refrigerator there is not a lot of circulation going on in this refrigerator. There's also some of these plastic barriers that you could screw in on the bottom if you want to set your food into place. You could put a gallon of milk in there and, you know, tie this, screw this on tightly, and it will keep it in place from shifting as well. When you do rent our RV, you would probably want to plug in the RV, you know, to cool down the refrigerator, instead of just putting your food in there the day of you're ready to leave, since the refrigerator would probably not be, you know, cold enough. So just a little bit of a tip.